What's up? It's Selfie Reviews, and today we're gonna do a quick video, and it ain't an air fryer. We will shout the microwave, but nah, we're gonna make something in a microwave. And you know, what we gonna crap? There goes a cup. Oh crap! There we go. What we're gonna make is sausage. Let's do it. This is anything you can cook and anything. There goes the microwave going beeping again. Beep, 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 beep. There we go. So we're going to sausage and pancake and stick from Kroger. How you doctor these up. Okay, I'm the food doctor, I guess. Good Lord. 6 ring protein. Look. Nutrition facts. Oh well. Anything good for you. Oh well. Or bad for you. Oh well. Whoa. I will check up on that monster. So anything you cook in the microwave and air fryer, that's cooking even if it's already pre-cooked. Oh well. So we got 2 corn dogs right here, not cooked. What we gonna do is put a little Colonel Sanders? Bernie Sanders? I don't know. RF Kennedy? No, it ain't him. We got some, whatever that is. That looks like JR right there is on the front. Buttery steak sauce. Yeah, I need to try some of his stuff. Got some coffee grounds for making coffee. So take of that, spare a little of that right there. On the corn dogs, some buttery things. Kinders premium quality season from John Kinder. He must be kind. So you can get that one anywhere they sell seasoning. Put a little of that on there. Spray some more on there. And we're gonna spray some yeah. Got some on it. I got water set up now. Got some on the darn counter now. You're gonna use a little Elizabeth. Mr. Elizabeth's gonna put a little of that right there. Little Parmesan and garlic. Doctor these up. Parmesan and herb. There you go. I'll probably forget to put the recipe in the description. Here we go. Now put them in the microwave. So there we are. We making those in the microwave. If we forget, we have to, reheat them. But this is cow. Woo! And you can use any kind of sausage and pancakes and make your own if you want. Good Lord, too much light. So here we go. Turn that light off. Good Lord. Uh-oh. Whoa. Now this ain't mine. Gotta make some coffee for Mom. Hello, can you make some coffee? I'll make some coffee. I'm watching the telly. So fancy here. I'll make some coffee. And really in a coffee curry. And brew, get a pint or brew of coffee. And make cafe. I don't know if I'm loving it. Now I gotta get this saved, so we're about to baptize this cup. Okay, we baptized it. And now make some coffee. Hello. What we doing, Lord? We're watching telly and Loki and Sylvie. So hot. Really sexy. Oh yeah. We got Miss Minutes from here. Shut up. I'm Mr. Minutes. Hello. So oh Lord. The clock don't even have a song. Oh. Hey, you better be quiet, clock, or you can get pruned. Or I'll do this. Uh-oh. Hey, hello, clock. Now it's gonna turn brown. And it was even 6 feet away from the fault zone. Now hello, McCoffee, this is 10 out of 10 farts. So now we're gonna get to review. Take coffee to the moon. Okay, hello. We had to tell Miss Minutes to stop flying the plane. When the dookie plane, it was stinking up the environment. Miss Dookie, stop flying the plane. Tick tock, tick tock. Hello. Back to the review. Shop food reviews. Right there. Crap. Right there. Here's what it looks like. Look at that. Just doctor up. Called a microwave doctor. Doctor of food. You can call me the doctor of food or whatever you want to call me. Now look at that. That was good. Butter is good. Go to Kroger and pick you up some or wherever, corn dog, have whatever you want. Butter, Parmesan and garlic. Man, it tastes like $1,000,000. $1,000,000. Money. Wait to see what the oh Lord, that's good. I mean, that's my own cooking, but that's like $1,000,000. Takes something that costs $4 and makes it taste better. So thanks for watching Better. Just like MJF said, he's better. Yeah, that's better than a regular Kroger hot dog. So like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more Chuck Cooking with Chuck videos. Did you like Sir Farsi reviewing? Oh yeah, we gotta do those pig brains. We gotta cook those pig brains. Hello, is that pig from which timeline is a pig brain from? Who farts? Or is it from somebody else? I don't know. What pig? Bacon or Richfield or Smithfield or what? Oh, Sir Fossey forgot to record button. He's just talking to the camera like me and, you know, to the teddy. Back to you. Thanks for watching.